Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gold and various other game passes on the Clash of Clans game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Clash of Clans game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into your home village. Now, if you wish to activate any kind of pass within the game, then you will need to tap on the shop button at the bottom right corner. Usually, special offers are shown as soon as you tap on this, and you can tap on the I button in order to check additional info on what this package contains. You can tap on this button and proceed forward by making your purchase through your payment method. If you don't already have a credit or debit card, you can click on the add button and enter your credentials to proceed forward. You can also check through the various different other packages by clicking on the respective menus. After you proceed forward with finalizing your payment, your package will be ready, and you will now get all of these resources included within the pass. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download various different game passes on the Clash of Clans game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.